for making beats like PHRVA. Cool, so I'm just going to break down how I made that little loop there, and it's inspired by the Billie Eilish PHRVA flip, if that's how you pronounce it. And we'll just have a quick look. So I've got these drums, so we'll go from back to front. I've got the Air Windows plugins, the free plugins, these drum slam, density, and I've got a saturator. So it's just fattening up my drum group. In there I've got the clap, and the clap sounds awful. Sorry about the clap. It'll probably sound better if I just... Okay, so you've got the clap, it's just a standard house clap. I've got this kick here, and I made it from a big 909 kick. So I've just used a 909, and then I've slipped the beats and the transient 1 arrow to shorten it. So that's normal. That's short. And it looks like I've got the initial clipper on there, which is a free one. Mono and saturator. And the transient as well. You've got drum bus transient if not. Cool. And then these phase plant hats that are from the sample pack, free sample packs, link below. And then let's get straight into this bass. Now I've used Serum. The first bass is like an 808 and it's kind of in the background. Bit of a quiet one. And I've done this for the EQ. Actually now I've turned it down, EQ it like this. So I've done this for the EQ. Saturator. And then inside here what we've got going on, it's the basic MDC. Got it there, so it's slightly like going into a square wave. Randoms down, phases down, and I've got, this is doing nothing. This is the envelope 1, so that's the main sound. This is the pitch bend now, and if you come into here, it's envelope 2, master tune, and it's gone up by 1 semitone. Make sure this arrow's on. And then it's the release time. So make sure you've got plenty of release here. And then match the release time of the envelope for the pitch bend. Just subtle, boom. Cool, so that's that bass, and then the main bass that you're probably looking for is... Cool, and we'll look what we've done to it. We've got transients, it's quite short. Got the transient shaper again, made it wider, nice and spread. I've got the fast here on the timing of the OTT. Bit sharp and stuff, so I've just rolled it back. Just maybe get rid of this one. Maybe that's better without that one. Got the saturator like usual and the EQ trick that I normally do. And you can just pull it out or boost it. It's not 100% like him. I think if I repeat the process a few more times I get it a lot better, so I probably will do that. But looking at this, we've got the analog BD sign random down, and then this envelope 1 is going on the level, and it's at 16 at that bit because it's got the macro on it, so we're going between 16 and 32 on the rate. And you've also got this +3 octaves, +8 semitones on the second oscillator, and that's going full. You can see it on oscillator 1. Oscillator 2, it's just going up to about 66% of it. Yeah, so you can just play with the amounts. I've got the smooth here. Look where the smooth is, that's really important. That's probably what they're doing there as well, automating that a bit. Cool, so you see we've got the macro as well, and that's changing. Changing the rate. So now you've got the LFO smooth, what we just did. Got the pitch bend as well, it's going higher there. Cool, and these serums are both getting saved into the Patreon, but they will be in February's Patreon. So links are down below if you're interested in that. Hope that's helped you.